Well, we're at Upper Mud River Lake. And to you Lincoln County residents, Mud River Lake. I'm seeing a little black mink. Cute little fella. Yep. The bass are biting. Another bass. There's another little bass. This one ate a Joe fly. Pretty good size. They're getting bigger. And another little one on the Joe fly. Well, I guess it's true. They are catfishing here. Just not big ones. Back you go. And another little bass. Not very big today. Yeah, I believe it's a state record smallest bass in the lake. Back you go. All right, that's some eater size right there. I got a few eater size bluegill. Got a new power bubble. Had it for about a month, just now hooked it up. Come in handy during the tournaments. Few bass, few eater bluegill. Calling it a day before it gets too hot.